Why does zipfile.is_zipfile returns true on Xlsx file? I am using is_zipfile to check if it is a zip file before extracting it. But the method returns true on Excel file from a Stringio object. I am using Python 2.7. Does anyone know how to fix this? Is it reliable to use is_zipfile? Thanks.
This is because Xlsx is actually a valid zip file. See also Office Open XML. The Microsoft Office XML formats.
Quoting from the Microsoft's Xlsx structure overview doc. Workbook data is contained in a zip package conforming to the open packaging conventions. So, .xlsx files are actually zip files only. If you want not to consider them as a zip file, you may have to exclude with an if condition like this.
Xlsx